Welcome.
Today we're at Harpeth River State Park. We're gonna go and do a couple trails. Unfortunately, I don't think these ones are really long, so we'll see what all we can find.
Well, and then she's gonna be dead after that. At the end of this, she's gonna be like, "Oh my God, that was such a long trail." Actually, it'll probably be more me.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
All right,
So,
well, have fun and enjoy.
we'll see you guys. Either way.
Spider web.
Oh God.
You ready? Park.
I didn't see you. Oh God, as I fall. Whew. Now we're just having some fun. As stuff keeps about falling.
Look at this little bridge.
That is a tiny bridge.
That's a tiny bridge.
Oh, I just left there.
Oh, you guys are fine. I'm with these folks.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Just do something far back. We can do it out your way if you want to.
No, you have kids. Have at it.
They've been there for a minute.
Nadia would love that.
Uh-huh.
We always want to pull hiking stuff when she's not with us.
I know we do.
She's got lazy.
We're coming out.
It's just him. You want to walk back?
We can. Just don't fall.
At least this one has a bottom.
Don't fall. Yeah, don't fall. As I say that and I'm about to slip.
I can see it now. Yeller took a slide. And the YouTube channel is left to me. It is back pretty far.
It does.
I don't have boots, so I'm not going any further.
I'm too tall for this too. Kind of curious how far it goes.
Very far. It's a cool little like stream coming through.
It is.
It looks like you're peeing. Hand me the camera.
I'm trying to reconnect. Like, I don't know if it's because we're underneath. Huh.
It looks like you're peeing.
Just a little bit.
You had to go, didn't you?
Just a little bit.
It goes that way some too.
Whew.
Here, you want to go out and
Yeah, so am I taking the camera stuff back so you can
guys.
keep from falling? Whew.
stalactite. I have to like shift my hip position.
Oh, you want to go that way?
Sure.
Looks a little safer for you.
I just have to keep remembering that.
The duck. Oh, excuse us. Glad I wore boots. Go ahead. Yep, do it. And then she falls. What? I got waters in my back pocket. That's a bad idea.
Hold on.
You like hold on. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Parkour. Woo!
As you break an ankle.
That's a little close. I don't want that close. I hate that close. That's just too much. My good lord.
That's far.
It is far. Alright, I don't know if you guys can really see the significance of that drop. Like,
I don't like that part. No.
she's gonna be on her butt and
I don't like down.
you don't like up either.
Up is easier than down.
Is it? Because I don't feel like it is.
Maybe we can go up on top of this.
Whew, that made me sick just looking up like that.
If you get too far under it, you're probably going to lose reception.
Well, yeah. We found out already.
I wonder if we can go
Not yet.
up.
Right. Wonder how many people actually slid down this hill.
Probably not very many. Or this trail wouldn't be.
True. They just don't want to admit it, maybe. Okay, so we got 2 different ways to go. Which way you want to go?
Let's go up.
Up?
Up.
Hold on. History Tunnel. And Float Creek. Huh. So
Well, there's stairs up there.
okay, well we can go up that way and then we can hit this way to go down the tunnel.
Okay.
Maybe if we go, it'll make a loop. Oh crud, we got 3 different ways. Oh, that leads out to...
Steep drop-offs ahead. Supervised children return by the same trail.
That's where we came down, driving down.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think so. So we get to go up that hill. Oh, Steph.
Yeah. It's up.
Yeah.
You ready?
Sure, we'll go with that. Trying to get a water in my back pocket. We got a nice view. Oh, God bless it. Whew.
42 so far.
42.
Look how high we are. 42.
Ready?
Yep. 23, 24.
I'm already breathing heavy. Good Lord. What's going on?
These are like half steps to you and full-blown mountains. I'm doing box jumps.
My heart rate's already at 109.
Like, you just made that look like it's nothing.
Do you want a hand?
Do you see how extended I am?
Come on.
You just stepped off on that like it was a regular step. That pisses me off. That you were just like, oh, let me just walk up here.
Wonder
Like, look at that view.
if you think about me just as much as I think about you still. I wonder if you have the shirt I gave you, or wear the necklace with your name like a tattoo on your skin. 'Cause I see you in every way, and I miss it, just don't know if you feel the same. I try to get you off my mind, thoughts of you locked up inside. I don't wanna dream about you tonight. I'm in London on a bus right now, staring through the rain, and for the first time I don't feel the same, no. But I try to get you off my mind. I wonder if I'm better off alone, but I can't stop feeling this love. Now I'm really needing you right here in my arms. I finally realize no matter how far we are, I try to get you off my mind, thoughts of you locked up inside. I don't wanna dream about you tonight. I'm in London on a bus right now, staring through the rain, and for the first time I don't feel the same, but I still feel the pain. I to get you off my mind, 'cause I see you in every way, and I miss it, just don't know if you feel the same. I try to get you off my mind, thoughts of you locked up inside. I don't wanna dream about you tonight. I'm in London on a bus right now, staring through the rain, and for the first time I don't feel the same, but I still feel the pain. I'm in London on a bus right now, staring through the rain, and for the first time.
I'm gonna do like color shaking.
Not even already be like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whole.
Come on. Be Titanic. You could be Rose and I'll be Leonardo, because I'm not going in the front.
Exactly.
If you push me, I promise you, if I don't fall, I will beat the hell out of you when I get back up.
We want at least 10% of that license.
That's what I told him. I was like, if someone pays you $1 million, would you jump? He's like, I wouldn't be able to spend it. I was like, but I would.
How much do you love me?
What's a broken leg or two?
Yeah, now.
How far?
I know.
I don't think you would die.
Yeah.
You'd get caught by a tree eventually.
Punctured lung, maybe. Broken couple bones.
I think I could do a chest tube in the field. Little mean with a wreck. Look, those cows over there on that hill look like little dots. That's probably a 1,200-pound animal.
Ready to go up some more?
Yeah. Downloading an elevation.
Oh yeah, that looks like a fun little steps. Just don't slip. Oh God. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, no.
I was waiting so you could show everybody the view. That's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty. Pretty far down.
I bet if you dropped a penny from this height, it could kill someone.
Probably. Whew. Ah, my heart.
Looks like we're only 189-foot elevation.
Yeah, no. That's not. Nah, I don't know. No. That can't be right. What's that? 10 stories? 10 foot per story. That'd be what? 18-story building?
Like, just for reference, Mount Kilimanjaro is 5,000-foot elevation, and we're at 189-foot elevation.
Yeah, that's not far.
We're not even like a quarter of the way up that Kilimanjaro would be. Oh look, there's people kayaking.
I see that.
Oh, your mom's not making up this. No, she's not.
I don't think any of the crap's gonna make it.
It seems like we're much higher. It's only 190 foot.
I know. I'm gonna let them get up there first. Yeah.
Take their time.
Going down's gonna be the fun part.
Down.
Woo. Oh yeah. Yep. Nope. I mean, you can still go up further. Oh my God.
I don't think I've ever seen you scared of anything.
Yep. Nope.
Like to see you chickening out, it's kind of weird.
Yep. Nope.
Okay, you're good.
I will not sit on something.
Like this goes all the way back that way.
Okay, I just know what happens if I fall that far.
You wouldn't feel it after the first couple feet.
My luck, I would.
I get one of me there. I'm terrified of heights.
Yeah.
On the side of me, he's like, yeah, I'll stay over there.
I was just telling him that.
He's got 4 legs though, he's cheating.
He's lower to the ground. He's like,
He has no fear.
Not at all. Come on, this way. Good boy.
he's like, let me just get close to that edge. Let me look.
He's like, look, they can hold me. I'll just dangle. Look at him. He legitimately does not care.
He's like, nope, cares in the world. Oh,
Can I hop up?
go ahead. Like,
That's so weird. I've never seen you scared of anything, and like this is what does it.
I hate heights. I enjoy like roller coasters because I'm in a
You're strapped in.
strapped in. I can do roller coasters.
It's funny.
I'm like, as long as I'm strapped into something, like I could probably jump out of a plane because I know that there's something to stop me.
On that roller coaster, you scared the bejesus out of me, but this is fine.
Yeah.
So we came all
I don't
up
do
here for
roller
nothing?
We came all the way up here for nothing.
That'd be our kid.
All right, that's it. It's the straight downs that scare me. You're not going down, are you?
I'm just gonna go to right there.
Okay, go right ahead. Like, you guys don't even know how hard my heart is pounding. Nope.
Come on,
Nope.
come on.
Nope. Not happening. Woo, you got my legs shaking. You got me a nervous wreck. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, no. Hey, look, there's a red mushroom. I don't know if I can zoom in. Like, I mean, that's all the way in there. That's how far she is down. What?
I'll catch you.
Yeah, okay.
It's not that bad.
I'm good.
You're only slanted.
I'm good. No. You're gonna be out of your mind.
Come on.
No.
I'll catch you. I'll hold your hand.
No, my hand's already shaking. No, I'm good. No. I don't care how you try to persuade me. Nah.
I can promise you naughty things if you come down here.
No.
What the guys want to see.
They can see perfectly fine from here. Like, my luck, my weight's gonna be just enough to crumble that. Like, my hand is shaking. No amount of naughty stuff can get me to go down there.
It's not bad. Face your fear. You could do it.
Yeah, okay.
Just take your time. Squat down.
Yep.
You got it?
Hold on.
Hold on, little branch. Hold on.
Hold on. Here.
Hold on, little branch.
Let me get down so I can show them that you're being a chicken crap. It's not bad, just jump.
Yeah, okay. Hold, little branch. Hold. Holy shit.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so
Okay.
proud of you.
There we go.
You did it.
I just need a drink now.
I'm so proud of you. You faced your little fear. I love that you're like clenching
heights.
everything and then I'm over here jumping down.
I hate heights. You don't want to live past the age of 45.
I want to live past that. 60 is about my limit, though.
Okay, well, I kind of want to live a little longer and not have any major injuries.
All right, go on up, baby.
You want me to do it?
No, I can. I have more faith in me right now than you.
Going up's not the bad part. It's the going down that I'm afraid of. I've slipped way too many times. Okay, I'm on six. Are you coming up?
I don't know if I can climb with one hand. I didn't think about that part. It's okay, I got this. It's only a little fall. It's only a little fall.
See, even you're scared.
I don't like going up.
I'm fine going up. It's down that I don't like. All right, that's it.
I believe you want to go down there.
My heart is like.
It's just so funny. I've never seen this before.
Going 90 miles an hour down that, and this is how she falls and dies, people.
What's funny is I can hike this just fine, but then we're walking on concrete trails and I fall.
Not afraid of heights, are you?
I mean, at this far up, I just started falling.
Like, she's just jumping down the rocks. I'm like, you're not afraid, are you?
No.
You have to do both.
Oh no. Nope.
Not quite, just the one act.
Mm-mm. Nope.
I cannot believe this is what you're chickening out at.
I hate heights.
Out of all the things we've done, this is what does it.
Yes, I clipped. Is that American or European? He's American.
Come sit with me.
Uh-uh.
What's that?
Nope.
Now, the heights don't scare me, but that big ass spider, not it.
And that's what I mean. Like you.
God.
Mm-mm. Nope.
How much would it take for you to pull up off this branch?
Hell no. Nope. Not doing a push-up.
What's
Wouldn't.
sad is I'm more comfortable falling myself, but if my sunglasses were to go down, it'd be a whole different story.
I can just feel the wind blowing. I'm like. I know that the wind can't blow me off this thing, but the thought of it petrifies me. Oh.
Here, scoot all the way so they can get their phone.
We've been hoarding these rock climbing. Alright. It's nice talking to you, man. Yeah, you too, man. Take it easy. How's it going, guys? Mike, man. Nice to meet you. Connor. Nice to meet you. I don't know.
How long do you think it would take a rock to fall to the bottom?
I don't know. Not far.
You
Not
jump
long.
and then I'll throw a rock and we'll see which one gets down first.
No. No. Nope. Not happening. You can jump.
Okay.
I'll let you go first. See, look at that.
Can't believe you're being a negative.
I can climb up. It's looking down from said heights.
Well, when you're seated, it's hard to fall.
It doesn't matter.
That's the way you're gonna go.
What do you think? Should we end it here for this one?
It ain't hurting to keep going.
No.
I just wanted to see that because they were in some foul angle.
Yeah.
Which is fine, long one, but not long.
Yep.
I can't believe we're only 190 foot up.
I know, that's so weird. You would think that we'd be at least at 250 at least.
Like when I jumped off the 90 foot cliff, that felt,
Like death.
this felt lower than where I cliff jumped.
Frank is that's like a straight drop, and this has like a little bit of a slant to it, so it makes you not as nervous.
Like if that would have been like a flat water, I would have been able to jump there easier than when I just went jumping.
Really?
Yeah, like when I jumped off that, maybe because the other cliff, I just ran and jumped off before looking down.
Yeah.
So I didn't realize really how high I was until
After the fact.
When it was time to climb back up, I was like, wow, I jumped off really high.
Or looking down.
No checking to make sure the water was okay, nothing.
Yep.
So,
You're like, I got this. Hold my beer.
I was 16, I wasn't drinking.
Yeah.
But what's funny is, as my feet left the ground, I heard Mom go, "That's really high." And I'm like midair, and I'm like, there's nothing I can do now. My only option is to fall and make sure I don't
Hurt
flatten
yourself?
my feet. Your toes pointed. I don't think you can even cliff jump there anymore. I think they've had too many deaths.
Man. I did it, like, see.
It's because people dive. You shouldn't dive that high up.
Nah.
Especially if you don't have something to break the water, like
Or know that you're not gonna
the
have
diving machines, and like when people dive from really high, they have the sprinklers to break the surface tension. But when you're jumping off a cliff, unless you have someone down below or someone throwing a rock, there's nothing to break the surface tension but your body.
Yep, and that's what does
And
injury.
then when you're going head first, your neck breaks the surface tension. And
Well, usually it's your hands that actually break it.
No, because when you're falling that far, your hands end up going out and not up. Like, it's natural to put your hands, like, to slow yourself down and splay out. So if you went in and if you pointed your feet and pointed your hands out and kind of like made a little bell shape, it didn't hurt as bad.
Yeah.
But if you landed with your hands flat or your feet flat,
You're done.
It hurt.
Not bad. Probably made you freaking tingle.
I don't know, I never did it because...
You only did it one time?
No, I jumped multiple times, but I knew that I was supposed to...
Do that.
I knew I was supposed to flatten or point my feet and how to mitigate, keep your knees bent or something. From being trained from falling in the grain bins and stuff, they teach you how you need to splay your body and what you need to do to prevent injury.
I don't know if that's the same concept, but we'll go with it.
It's all the same concept. Falling is falling.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go this way. It leads all to the same spot back around. I think. I don't even know how far we've gone.
Whoa! I do all of those stairs fine and trip on flat ground.
Like they're probably like wondering what the heck just happened.
My roommate.
Somebody decides to fall behind me and I don't get it on video this time. Like every time we do one of these, she falls. Every time. And she about trips and...
What's funny is we hiked that entire thing, no problem. I did all of that, no slipping, and literally slipping on the flat ground. I can't believe I just tripped.
I can. It's because you think you're secure, so you're like, haha, I'm gonna do.
Well,
Like,
what it is when I'm climbing, I'm watching where my feet go.
you wanna go up there?
Yeah, we can.
Like, look at that. Oh. Like, I can climb up a hill. When I know it's not like straight down, it's not as bad. It's when it's like straight down that I'm like, this will hurt. At least if it's at an angle, you can slide.
Selfie us.
Selfie us? How can I selfie us?
So it can see us.
Which one?
The main camera.
This one?
Yeah.
Hey. Can't take it to picture.
It's okay, I can do a still shot.
Oh, yeah. Makes sense.
Look at this little tunnel.
You're ridiculous.
Choo-choo.
You're ridiculous. Now you guys know what I get my ridiculousness from.
Choo-choo.
The little engine that could. Major pain.
What is it? I chug-a-lugga, chug-a-lugga, choo-choo.
So we can go down still, or we can walk across this.
Keep walking.
No, I was letting everybody know. Oh, they're about on my knee.
I'm a little topsy-turvy. Now that I've lost weight, my boobs weigh more than my ass.
I don't know about that.
I'm gonna take that as a compliment, even though it did not sound like it.
I mean, it could be a compliment both ways. Okay.
Catch me?
Sure, we'll catch you.
Ready?
Go ahead. You're gonna, which way are you
What
going?
if I just actually jumped? What would you have done?
I'd probably lean forward to make sure that I could.
You better drop the damn camera if I jump.
I don't know why you're going that way when you could have easily just gone.
Who's doing this? Me
Yeah.
or you?
Go ahead.
You be seen, not heard.
I think we've done about 6,000. You're asking an awful lot. There we go.
We worked hard to hike here.
I gotta let it reconnect real quick and then I'm all into it. Yep. Alright, later guys. You're gonna fall in, and I'm going to laugh. What are you even trying to do?
I want to go that way, but I'm too scared to step over to that rock.
Why are you trying to go that way? Go ahead. I've got it. I'm watching.
I need a stick. What's funny is every time we go somewhere, I do this and fall in the water.
That's why I'm like, why do you even do it?
Every time. I need a stick.
Why do you need a stick? Why?
Watch me struggle, and he's like, you know, you can just go up here. I'm like, are you serious? I was just stranded for 10 minutes.
No, because there's like a straight like moss side right there. They have to like
That was pretty
skim
easy.
it. That's what I'm saying. I was like, I hope there's an easier way to get here. Because getting down is a pain in the ass.
I
There's
cannot
an easier
believe
entrance on the side.
you just let me stand in the middle of the rock and waited until I gave up to tell me there was another route.
Yeah, but if I would have told you, hey, let's go this way, you'd been like, no, I'm stuck on this way. Okay, go ahead. Just don't fall for me. Fall for me, fall for me, fall for me. Uh-oh, oh. I know it isn't. Oh, look at that. There's a little pathway to get up there.
Oh.
What?
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, my muscles in my tummy are hurting.
Oh, I looked over to the side. That's
I
it.
bet that person shit themselves.
Oh, that slipped right there?
Yeah.
Probably. I mean, that is a... Well, you got that tree that's falling down there. You got a stopping point. I mean, don't get me wrong. That's a poker moment right there. Well, I guess we did come all the way up, didn't we? I feel like we went down. It was just right at the end.
My knees are tired.
Your knees. I got a pinched nerve in my back right by my buttocks. It's hurting me. Alright, now we gotta go down and over and up again. And then across the bridge. And then the bridge.
And then another bridge.
Is there 3 bridges?
Yeah.
Oh, there is 3 bridges this time. It's your favorite thing, bridges. I'm glad I took my allergy medicine. Because they would be destroying me. It was worth the trip.
Well, I could take the field shots over the video.
Oh, that's true. And put them up.
Yeah.
Don't fall.
Careful, someone else is slid in this spot.
Yeah, I remember.
Are you fucking kidding me? Every time. Every time.
About halfway up, just watch yourselves.
Do a little flip right there. Oh, man. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining us. We had a blast. Hope you enjoyed the views with us.
Oh yeah, it was beautiful other than the heights. Like looking over that edge wasn't mine.
It's really funny to see you scared. I've never seen you scared of anything.
Yeah, well, the heights is just something that got me.
We only had a little major injury, little boo-boo, but we're okay.
So, we'll see you again next time.
Later.
Bye.